Big Rapids Nutrition is kind of a shake and tea shop where you can go and get a tasty drink, but also healthy and nutritional.
Big Rapids Nutrition is kind of like a drink place, not really like a coffee place. They have teas there and they have nutrition shakes there.
It is a locally owned healthy shake and tea place. You can come in and grab a healthy shake to go, which is a meal replacement, and an energizing tea. We're bringing something new to the area when it comes to nutrition and something that tastes good. So the community seems to like the change of pace and that we're gearing towards college kids as well. And we love the area and the small town feel, so we came out here.
I heard about Big Rapids Nutrition through Instagram.
They went and followed me and DM'd me on my Instagram.
They followed me and I followed them back and learned all about them through that.
How I heard about Big Rapids Nutrition was through Instagram. I feel like they have a huge online media presence that not a lot of locations in Big Rapids have.
We sell what's called our healthy meal shakes. We have over 80 different flavors. We have our tea bombs, which are good energizing tea. We have about 10-15 flavors of those, and then we sell some energizing tea that do not have any sugar, and they're really good caffeinated drinks for you. So the events that we have here, we do a lot of fundraisers. So for any organization or any club sports or anything, we do a fundraiser for them. We do our customer appreciation days once a month, and then I hold a yoga class here on Thursday nights as well. If it's your first time when you come into Big Rapids Nutrition, we would just go over kind of what we offer here, and then we give our daily most popular ones. So we give them those flavors, and then we tell them, this is what your options are.
My favorite drink was peanut butter Oreo pie, which the worker actually recommended to me, and it was really good, not too sweet, and tasted good.
I got like a lemon tea and like a brownie batter shake.
So far, my favorite shake would have to be I would say the ice cream sandwich. That one was pretty good. And then my favorite tea was Wonder Woman. It's got like a little tea bomb, so it gives you energy too.
The customer-worker relationship was really good. The staff member asked us about our day and like our major and whatnot. A bunch of different personal questions.
I think the actual workers really try to talk to you while you're there. They'll always ask what your involvement is in school and things like that, because most of the people who do go there are students and a lot of the workers there are students. So it's just a way to interact with each other.
I would recommend Big Rapids Nutrition just for anyone that's kind of looking to go have a drink, something healthy and tasty.
I would tell someone to come try it out. If they're looking for something that tastes like a birthday cake, but they want to keep it healthy, that we're the spot. We love to invite anyone and everyone to our store just to meet us and just come, hang out, see the vibes that we have here and taste one of our shakes.
My motto for Big Rapids Nutrition would probably be something along the lines of come get a tasty drink while bettering your health.
Happy, healthy life. Something like that, definitely.
Just relax, maybe. I feel like they're really chilling there. They're never in your face. They even have yoga. They have yoga tomorrow. Tell me that's not relaxing. You can get a shake and a tea and do yoga. No other place does that.